You might be annoyed by the large number of duplicate folders on your computer. They take up a lot of disk space and slow down your computer. This video will tell you how to find and delete duplicate folders on computer fast. System Duplicate Finder is a powerful and easy-to-use duplicate folder finder for Windows and Mac users. It can help you find duplicate folders on computer that have identical content, regardless of folder names. It also identifies duplicate images, audios, videos, documents, archives, and other types of duplicate files. With this tool, you can easily and quickly find all duplicate folders on your computer. Free up the storage space. Let's see how to find and remove duplicate folders using this tool. First, download and install System Duplicate Finder on your PC or Mac. Launch it. Click the plus icon. Add one or multiple computer folders or drives that you want to scan for duplicates. Click the Scan button. It will display all found duplicate files for you to preview immediately, including duplicate images, music, video, document, archives, folders, and others. To view all duplicate folders on your computer, you can go to the Folder tab. Now you can view all found duplicate folders on your computer one by one. Here you can change the preview mode to view file details, like folder names, creation date, size, and path. This duplicate folder finder has already select duplicates for you to remove automatically. You can also manually select or deselect folders to delete. Additionally, this tool provides multiple selection rules. You can select a desired selection rules on the upper left corner to help you mass select duplicate folders to remove. For example, here I choose the Select Oldest rule, then it will help me select all the older folders in each group and keep only one. Then click the Delete button. Click Yes. By default, the deleted folders will be moved to trash or recycle bin on your computer. You can also go to settings of this tool to change the remove method, like move to a certain folder or remove permanently. Before scanning, you can add some of your important folders, files, as well as particular file extension to the Ignore list. Exclude them from scanning. System Duplicate Finder offers two scan method, file content and file name. By default, this tool scans for duplicate folders with identical content, regardless of folder names. If you only want to find duplicate folders with the same folder names, you can change to the file name method. This is how to find and delete duplicate folders on Windows and Mac computer using this duplicate folder finder. System Duplicate Finder is excellent at finding all types of duplicate files including folders. It's easy and safe to use. I have put its free download link in the description section below this video. Thanks for your watching.